Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make loaded nachos in an air fryer. First, gather your ingredients like tortilla chips, cooked ground beef or chicken, and shredded cheese. Ensure any meat or beans are fully cooked and seasoned to your liking before you start. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures even cooking and a perfectly crispy result for your delicious nachos. Now, let's start layering. Place a single layer of tortilla chips in your air fryer basket or on a parchment liner. Don't overcrowd it, you want even crisping. Sprinkle a good amount of your cooked meat and shredded cheese over the chips. Cook these in the preheated air fryer for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly. For extra loaded nachos, add another layer of chips, meat, and cheese on top of the first. This is also the perfect time to add other heat-friendly toppings like sliced jalapenos or black olives. Return the basket to the air fryer and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Keep an eye on them to prevent burning, ensuring all the cheese is perfectly gooey and melted. Once your nachos are perfectly golden and cheesy, carefully remove them from the air fryer. Be gentle, as they will be hot. Now for the fun part, add your fresh, cool toppings like a dollop of sour cream, a spoonful of fresh salsa, or creamy guacamole. These air fryer nachos are quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.